In Man's Search for Meaning, Viktor E Frankl embarks on a profound journey of survival and self-discovery. From the tranquility of his life in Vienna to the unimaginable horrors of Nazi concentration camps, Frankl's story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Within the confines of despair, Frankl discovers the essence of existential analysis. He observes that even in extreme suffering, one's attitude and search for meaning remain the last of human freedoms. This realization becomes the cornerstone of his psychological theory. Viktor Frankl unveils logotherapy, a groundbreaking approach to existential analysis. He suggests that uncovering purpose in life, particularly through our struggles, is vital for our inner health. This transformative perspective offers a beacon of hope and guidance amidst life's toughest trials. Frankl's book suggests that the 3 pathways to finding meaning in life are as follows. 1. Through creating work or doing a deed. 2. Experiencing something or encountering someone. And 3. The attitude we take towards unavoidable suffering. These paths guide individuals to discover purpose in the most challenging circumstances. Frankl emphasizes the profound impact of enduring suffering with dignity. He illustrates this through personal experiences and observations in the camps, where he noticed that those who found meaning in their struggles were more resilient and possessed a stronger will to live. Frankl poignantly reminds us that the last of human freedoms is the ability to choose one's attitude in any given set of circumstances. This powerful message underlines his belief that even in the bleakest situations, humans can find meaning and purpose in life. Man's Search for Meaning is more than a book. It's a guiding light in the search for purpose. Frankl's insights, born from the depths of despair, continue to inspire and empower individuals to find significance in every moment of life, no matter how difficult.